Hello there. Let me tell you a story about a little elephant named Elara. Elara was very, very curious. She always asked questions. Why is the sky blue? Where does the river go? But Elara couldn't stop. The biggest question was about the Great Grey River. It was far away, and the grown-ups said it was forbidden. It's dangerous, they said. A sly crocodile lives there. But Elara had to know. So one day, she decided to be brave. She walked and walked, all by herself, until she found the beautiful, shiny river. It looked so nice. She was very thirsty, so she crept to the edge and dipped her short little nose into the water to drink. But snap, two strong jaws grabbed her nose. It was the crocodile. "Let me go," cried Elara. "Oh no," gurgled the crocodile. "I think I'll have elephant for lunch." And he pulled, and Elara pulled back. They had a giant tug-of-war. And as they pulled, something amazing happened. Elara's nose began to stretch. It got longer, and longer, and longer. With one final, big pull, Elara yanked herself free. She discovered she could do wonderful things. She could reach the highest, tastiest leaves. She could pick sweet berries. She happily went back home. When her family saw all the amazing things she could do with her trunk, they weren't scared anymore. They were amazed. And that's how Elara's curiosity and bravery didn't just help her. It brought a wonderful gift to all the elephants in the world. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.